Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with some project shares I did on 12/31 on New Year's Eve for a live and crafting and chatting with people to ring in the new year. And we played 2 rounds of the prompt game, and this is round number 1, which was brown or paint pen. Number 2, there were 10 prompts drawn on both games. Stamp or punch. Use fingers to paint or favorite color. Paper clip or vase. Die cuts or something wooden. Q-tip or use cotton. Quote or add words. Splatters or painty paper. Number 9, ornament or old jewelry. Number 10 is graph paper or music paper. Now, here's mine from round 1. Okay. I will have photos of everything at the end of the video, and the prompt list will be listed in the comment section of this video. So, for game round 2, we had apples or eyes, numbers or stencil. Number 3, knitting or string. Number 4, sequin or glitter. Number 5, triangle or fringe. Number 6, washi tape or staple something. Number 7, paint paper or splatter, which we had in the first round. Some of them they all get repeated, so in different games. Sometimes you're playing a game and it gets repeated twice in 2 rounds. So once in each round. I don't know. It's just the way we pick them. Number 8 is border or frame. Number 9, book paper or magazine page. Number 10, dyed paper or ripped paper. Or you could have did dyed ripped paper. So here's mine for round number 2. Okay. So round number 1 is here. Round number 2 is here. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Also, if you didn't do so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, I go live, or do a premiere. And please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.